Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video we are going to make a CPS tester, okay? CPS is known as clicks per second, okay? So I'm gonna give you an example of the project. Click the green flag to start and click this square here to start your test, okay? And it looks like my CPS is 7.4, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so before we start, this is the only part you need. So you need a CPS tester, okay? Just name it CPS tester. It could be a square or any shape you want. Just make sure that it has 3 costumes in the beginning, and then the costume when the test is running, and also the result, okay? The result costume. So at first, just add a when green flag is clicked, and in the beginning we want the CPS tester to switch costume to costume 1, which is this one, okay? And then also go to X0 and Y35, okay? And then add a show block. Now make a new variable. It's called click available, okay? Now set click available to 0, okay? Make a new variable called clicks. Set clicks to 0, and then time. Set time to, so the time is the test time, okay? So the test time is 5 seconds. That means time is 5. And then CPS clicks per second. Set click per second to 0, okay? Now go to the events, and when this part is clicked block, add that one, and then an if then block, okay? So if the end block, so if clicks available equals to 0 and the clicks equals to 0, which means this condition is the beginning condition, it will set click available to 1, okay? And then it will broadcast start. It will also switch costume to costume number 2, okay? And then add another if then block over here. So if clicks available equals to 1, if clicks available equals to 1, it will change clicks by 1, okay? That means every time the rectangle is clicked, it will change clicks by 1, okay? And then over here add a when I receive start block over here. When I receive start, repeat until time equals to 0, okay? Time equals to 0. So and then it will change time by -1 because we want to decrease the time, not increase the time, okay? Also it will change the time by -1 every 1 second, okay? So every 1 second it will decrease the time by -1, because the time is 5. That means after 5 seconds the whole system will stop, and then it will display your CPS, okay? So after the time equals to 0, it will broadcast stop. Broadcast stop, okay? And then when I receive stop, it will shut down this code by set clicks available to 0, which means we cannot click the rectangle again and continue the click, okay? And then set CPS CPS by, so basically clicks per second is how many clicks you did in 1 second. That's why the CPS is clicks divided by the time, which is 5. Okay, and then don't forget to add a height variable. Okay, so at the beginning it will hide the CPS variable, and then here it will show the CPS variable. Okay, show CPS variable. I'm going to hide all of this. Let me just switch this costume into this one. Oh yeah, to change this, just put it into large readout. Okay, there we go, and then put it over here. Yep, like that. It will show. Okay, now we're going to test the CPS tester. Okay, make sure you play it in full screen. Okay, or else it will cause chaos, trust me. In full screen. So first click the green flag to reset everything to 0. Okay, there we go, and click this rectangle to start the test. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, I forgot to add a switch costume block. Switch costume to costume 3 over here. Okay, don't forget about that. Let's give it another test. And looks like my CPS is 7.2 seconds. 7.2. Okay, that means I can click around 7 clicks in 1 second. Okay, so that's all for this project today. I hope you learned something new today. Yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay,